Hi, I just want to make this video to show you how this Xiaomi robot vacuum will do on a rug like this. This is a rug that I've just borrowed from a friend here, and you'll see that it has black stripes here, black accents here, black floral design over here, and another black stripe here with brown and on the side here. It will be interesting how this robot will do on this type of rug, and also if it will climb over a rug like this. So this is a three-prong experiment. If it will go over the black part of the rug, how it cleans, and if it goes over. And I'll just come back and spread around maybe 40 grams of oats and powder on the non-black parts of the rug. Okay, this is the mess that I've created here on this rug. You'll see that I've spread out oats, powder over the parts that aren't black here, and I'm guessing that the robot will avoid this black part and just go over the parts that are lighter. And if you have a rug like this or a similarly designed rug that has black accents on it, then you should watch this and see how this robot performs. And I'll be right back for the actual test.
开始清扫。
Okay, I just want to show you this app here. I've just updated this app to the latest version, and you will notice that the map is updating real time as the robot is moving here. You can see that the app is also updating where the robot actually is. I'm trying to focus this here, and this is a welcome addition to the app. So if you have this robot, make sure that you update the app and to get the latest, to have this real-time update when the robot where the robot is. And this is really a good update. You can see where the robot actually is in relation to your room and the map of the room. This is something not available when you download this. You have to update this. Okay, the Mi Robot Vacuum is done cleaning this carpet here, and you can see that for the most part it was able to pick up most of the dirt in this area here. There are some bits of powder and a piece of oat here that's left, and over here you can also see that you have a stray piece of oat here, but for the most part in this area there isn't any problem. But the problem area would be here, in this area here. You can see that the robot totally missed this spot. I noticed that it hates patterns like this. It doesn't like any sort of pattern. It messes up with its cliff sensors underneath. So, but going over the rug wasn't a problem with this robot. So if you have a rug like this and you would want and you want the robot to, the Xiaomi, to clean this, it would probably have a difficult time cleaning all of it. So I will look for another rug without any patterns and see how it does. But for this rug, it was able to clean most of the dirt here in this area here, but it missed some spots here, particularly near this floral design here, and it completely avoided these black stripes here, the two black stripes. It completely avoided, which I had a fear of. And now let's see how much dirt the robot was able to pick up. Okay, I have the weighing scale here right now, and let's just open the bin and see how it did. And this is the bin here. This is the bin that's half full. And let me just turn it on. Remember, the baseline is 40 grams. And let's see how much of it was able to pick up, just to give you an expectation level, to set your expectations on how this robot will perform on this type of rug here. And right now it's at 33 grams here. 33 grams out of the 34. It's at 34 grams. And overall, in terms of cleaning, it was able to do a pretty decent job for a carpet like this, a carpet or a rug like this. If you have rugs of this type here, it's not really plush, but it can perform decently. It can keep dust and dirt from piling up. But again, the biggest concern would be if you have a rug that with patterns like this, it can mess up with its sensors, and it will not go over this black parts here. And if you have any questions about this video, again, comment below. And for more information about the Xiaomi robot vacuum, you can check my review, which I'll post below, the link to the review and the other videos. And thanks again for watching.